Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be going through how I sorted and organised all 77 albums in my itzy group order. It's not the full process because that would have been extremely difficult and lengthy to film, so what I've done is taken a few clips of the process and then I'll be going through each one. In this first clip, I'm going through my spreadsheet and organising everyone's orders. So my spreadsheet goes by username, number of albums, what versions they are like, and then their 3 bias preferences, and then I just had 2 columns for their payments. What I like to do is write it down and post it, grab all of their albums and then stick the post-it onto the albums. Just a disclaimer, these post-its are really cheap and they leave no sticky residue on the albums whatsoever. I like to write their username, their number of albums, and then their bias preference. In this clip, I have all of the orders laid out on my floor. There was like a crazy amount of them this time. And then I have my stack of photocards, and I'll be going through each bias to give a person at least one of the solo cards since there was unit cards this time. So here I am going through all of the Yeji biases and give them all at least once. And then I'll go through the other biases, and cards left over, people will get like one more of their bias until we get down to like the cards that no one claimed, and then we'll sort of go through the second choices. This clip is after all of the photo cards have been allocated and they're inside of the albums. So this is me going through and adding anything extra there is in the album. For example, the pre-order benefits that come with this album, which is the Paris A itzy like photo essay type thing with a pack of postcards. So I just color coordinated the postcards with the album types. This next clip is bubble wrapping the albums. Excuse the background, that's the massive box they came in. I live in a very small uni room and there's not like a whole lot of space. It was also really late, so I couldn't really take it out to the bins. So moving on, I'll just bubble wrapping the albums. I wrap them over 3 or 4 times to protect the corners, and then I just place them down on top of each other with their post-it notes on top. And then I go through and sellotape them all, but I didn't film that because I just wasn't sure how to do it without showing my face, because I don't really want to do that. Also, excuse my outfit, it was like 5 AM at this point and I was just in my pajamas. And that is how I sort and organize my group orders. It's my first time doing a video like this, so I'm sorry if it's a bit shaky and a bit weird. I wasn't very well prepared for it. I'm not very good at it, but I'll get better at it as I continue to sort of do them for all of my group orders. I'm hoping to continue this type of video, but sort of improve them over time. So thank you for watching, and if you watch this far, please put a purple heart in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.